Okay guys, Fibre carpet care again, as promised. I'm just showing you the finished product here, and these spots, this is by the door. This was really dark and black here, but everything came out nice. So I'm sure the customer will be really happy. So yeah, if you're interested in some Christmas specials and any kind of cleaning that you'd like to have done, give us a call. We have 10% discount with first-time customers, being that it's Christmas time, and we're giving such a good deal here. Our number is 778-433-9348 if you're interested.